In the border town of Hayaratan, the first stage of an ambitious plan to link Afghanistan to neighbouring railways is ready. A new 75-kilometre track will take cargo into Mazar Sharif. It was built by Uzbek railway engineers.
و شما بهتر معلوم است که نفرای مسلکی انجینرهای مسلکی ما نداریم تیپلوس از خودمون نیست واگن‌ها از خودمون نیست از کشور ازبکستان است از آسیای میانه است ترانزیت مولای تاجرای محترم است.
Once the train is fully up and running, there'll be a tenfold increase in the amount of goods that can be transported from Uzbekistan into Afghanistan. But that makes the railway a Taliban target. Hayaratan dry port will go from handling 4,000 tons of cargo a month to 40,000 tons. That's good news for NATO. Supply routes through Pakistan are still closed, so NATO's northern distribution network through the Caucasus and Central Asia is a lifeline. And the Taliban knows it. This is the bridge linking Afghanistan and Uzbekistan. It's recently been threatened by the Taliban, according to local police, as has the new line that runs through open country to Mazar Sharif. But despite the dangers, local leaders have grand ambitions.
میتونیم توسط خط خود از مسکو، تاشکند، از قزاقستان، از چین و از دورترین نقاط اروپا از طریق روسیه و بالاخره ازبکستان و ترکمنستان واگن‌ها را بیار.
The Asian Development Bank provided the $165 million to build the railway and 2 new stations to offload cargo. But new platforms with seating for customers suggest that one day, a long way down the line, passengers may also travel on Afghanistan's railway. Bernard Smith, Al Jazeera, Balkh Province, Afghanistan.